Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check remaining SIM time on iPhone. And here's how it is done. Whether you are using a physical SIM card or an eSIM with data, text, or talk time, you can easily check your usage in your iPhone settings. Just go to settings and tap on cellular right below Bluetooth. Here, you will see your cellular data usage for your active line. You can scroll down to see which apps have used the most data. Keep in mind, this doesn't track your specific SIM or eSIM allotment in terms of minutes or talk time, and it won't show you your carrier's exact limits. At the bottom, you'll find the option to reset the statistics. For example, my last reset. So make sure to reset it manually whenever you get a new SIM or eSIM. Another option is to go to General, then tap on About at the top of the screen. Here you can find details about your SIM or eSIM, including your carrier and network. You might also need your IMEI number if you are logging into your carrier's app or website to track your usage directly. And that is everything you need to know about how to check remaining SIM time on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.